Hello, welcome to an e-demo on the Event Schedule Setup Editor in Victor Unified Client. Using this editor is the final step in the typically 4-step event configuration procedure, and so far we already have an event created, we have an action created, and we've paired those things together so that whenever the event triggers, the action is displayed. The final step is to tie the alert from the device, for example motion on a camera, to the event so that when the alert occurs, the event triggers, and as such the action displays. Okay, so the first thing to do then is choose the Build tab, and I'm going to choose Event Schedule Setup and Event Schedule Setup. And you can see we have an editor here that's similar to the Event Action Pairing editor, only this time we have 3 nodes which we need to populate instead of just 2. Okay, so the first thing I need to do in here is choose my device. So I'm going to double click the Devices node, and I can just choose any device in my system. I'm going to choose Video Edge IP cameras and an IP camera there. Okay, and that's coming into this editor here, and you can see we already have some pre-configured alerts and actions for the device, and that will vary from device type to device type what those alerts and actions are. Okay, so what I'm going to do then is choose the bell icon on the device itself, and that's going to give us a list of all of the alerts which this device can produce. And I just need to put a check mark next to the ones I'm interested in, and in this case I'm going to use motion detection. So I'm going to put a check next to motion detection and choose add alerts, and you'll be able to see then that that has come across into the alerts node there. Okay, so with that done, what we need to do is map what happens when that alert comes through, and in this case we want it to activate our event. So I'm going to choose the bell icon on the alert node, and I'm going to choose change event state actions, and then all I need to do is find my event, and I can use this filter option at the top here in the object selector to do that, and I'm going to choose OK, and you can see that also has come across there. So we're all populated now, and that means that when an motion alert comes from the camera, it's going to trigger this event. And of course, we already have the event configured so that it triggers the salvo to display. So I can just go ahead and save and close.